In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Notion API key step by step. To follow along, make sure you're signed into Notion on your computer's browser or the desktop app, since the settings we need are easiest to reach there. Start in the top right corner of Notion. Click your profile picture to open the Account menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, look to the left-hand menu and select Connections. This is where Notion keeps all integration-related controls. On the Connections page, click the link that says Develop or Manage Integrations. This takes you to Notion's integration dashboard. Here, click the plus New Integration button. First, give your integration a clear, recognizable name in the Integration Name field, something that will make sense to you later when you see it in a list. Next, open the associated Workspace menu and select the workspace where you plan to use this key. Under Type, leave it set to Internal. Internal integrations are designed for use within your own workspace and are exactly what we need for generating an API key. If you'd like, you can upload a logo to help visually identify the integration, but this is completely optional, and you can skip it without affecting functionality. When everything looks good, click Submit. After your integration is created, Notion will display an internal integration token. This is your API key. Treat it like a password and keep it private. Before copying it, click Save to make sure your changes are recorded. Then click Copy to place the token on your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever your application or script requests your Notion API key. For safety, store it in a secure location, such as a trusted password manager or your development environment's secret storage, and avoid sharing it publicly or committing it to source control. That's the complete process. Profile picture, settings, connections, develop or manage integrations, plus new integration, name it, pick the workspace, leave type as internal, optionally add a logo, submit, then find the internal integration token, save, and copy. If you ever need to revisit these details, you can return to the same connections area and manage the integration there. And that's how to get your Notion API key. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.